Hi guys, I'm Ignacio, the non-expert. I still am super grateful and very excited because I just got a ton of mangoes that my neighbors were really generous and gave us. So I will be preparing some mango chutney today, and it's a very simple recipe. It's an Indian inspiration. It's my take on it. Remember to look for this recipe on YouTube. So you're gonna look for Ignacio Solano mango chutney. So follow me, recommend me to your friends, and come on, let's begin. I've chopped my onion very fine. Oh, the smell of this brine is very aromatic. I can smell the curry and the cardamom and the vinegar. It's all coming together. It is so good. I can feel the little kick of the cayenne pepper, so it's ready to be taken off the stovetop. I have my raisins and my bell pepper and my onion in the warm brine, and I want my raisins to hydrate a little. For my chutney, I'll be using about 7 to 8 medium mangoes, and I will be cutting them in 1/4 to 1/2 inch pieces. If they are very ripe, they're gonna like disintegrate, and that will give it a nice texture, but I also want a little bit of chunks in it. If you see your mango has some dark spots or blemishes, this one doesn't have a blemish where the dark spot is. Just cut that out. My jars have been sterilized, and I like to can my chutney while it's still warm, so that when I seal it, it creates a vacuum. I have different sizes, different presentations, because I am going to give some away to my friends, to my neighbors.